Hi Tesla, it's me again, the guy with the broken seats you wanted to replace. Remember this problem? Easy entry won't slide forward to make it easy to enter? Yeah, I managed to fix this too. I didn't need to replace the $3,000 seat. This problem is also fixable with a $20 part you sell. Look, I'm entering easily. I'm sure you're aware of how common this problem is, but I'll just remind you here with a few selections from forums. Don't get me wrong, I really like Teslas. In fact, I have owned only Teslas since 2017. But I want to draw a sharp distinction here between the quality of the engineering and the quality of the service your customers get at service centers. Having started to have to work on these cars myself, I continue to think that the cars are engineered quite well. But now, dealing with out-of-warranty vehicles, Tesla, you are not equipping your service centers with the knowledge or culture to find and fix problems in a cost-effective way for your customers. Now, service center advisors, I believe, genuinely want to resolve problems. But after 250,000 Tesla miles and many different service center trips and conversations, it is clear that your service center philosophy is not to actually use the minds and skills of your mechanics to dig in and diagnose and fix the root cause of a problem. Rather, it is to identify some service procedure from a pre-created menu of procedures and simply apply some coarse mapping of keywords in a customer's problem to an item on that menu. In the case of this middle row of seats, almost everything seems to map to replace the entire seat. This might work for vehicles under warranty, but as more vehicles are past warranty now, replacing an entire seat for a broken cable is not cool. So let's get to diagnosing and fixing this. If your easy entry isn't sliding forward on the driver half of the bench seat, take a look right here at this area and have someone press the easy entry button. That white piece of plastic is pulled back by an actuator cable, and itself pulls on cables running to the track release. If you don't see it pulling back, this video shows how to fix that. And if you like fixing things, engineering, or want to be notified each time I repair something on my Tesla, like and subscribe. Here's a view under the seat. That part there is called the second row easy entry track release actuator. It's the thing that pulls the cable that retracts the white plastic piece we saw moving earlier. Here's how to find the part in Tesla's online parts catalog. I talk about ordering parts in other videos, so I'll spare you here. The cost for this part in 2024 is $20. Here's how to replace the actuator. It's held to the seat with a single screw and some clips. Remove the screw and slide it out from the clips. I'm opening my actuator up here just to see what's wrong. In my case, the actuator itself is okay. In my case, the head of the cable that pulls the white piece that we saw earlier came off. In some cases, the gears inside the actuator itself will be broken, as in my other videos. Now we need to remove the white puller from the housing here. It also is held on with a single screw that can be removed thus. Now unseat the cable head. Once unseated, and with the screw out of the way, you should be able to wiggle the white puller out. Without a head, this cable can't pull the white piece. The new part has a cable with a head that slides and locks into the white piece so it can be pulled. Before we install it, let's just test that the new actuator works by plugging it in and pressing the easy entry button. Yep, works great. Now we just install the new part. Thread the new cable head through the pull track and attach the white puller to the new cable head. Remember to reseat the cable to hold everything in place. Screw the white puller track guide back down. We no longer need access to that screw, so let's reseat the upholstery. Finally, reattach the actuator to the bottom of the seat with that single screw. And that's it! We've saved $3,000 and made entry easy again.